Okay, look how cute. This is in Homegoods right here. That is like really cute. We have a lot of flowers. They're gonna be 15. 50 right here at the bottom. 17. Look at this guy with his little acorn and his fluffy. This one is really cool looking. Tell me that is not cool looking, right? I like that. I like how his tail is fall leaves, but there's no price on this guy. What a bummer though. What a bummer. And here's another one. This one's 25. They are pretty heavy. They're pretty heavy. It feels like a little weight, like a kettlebell, like a small one. And there is an owl one too in the back. This is cute, like in somebody's garden. I think so. And let's see, we have a lot of flowers behind me. Halloween has been picked through. Right now, left over just ghost and bone daddies. I can't believe it's over because I haven't seen anything like new. 35. 50 right here. These are pretty down here. The turkey. This one's $59.99. And then this end cap. I also feel like fall is being picked through quite a bit too. Oh, this plaid pumpkin down here, 25. Because I know we've seen this turkey, and these pumpkins are 17. Here's that owl one. This is pretty. 15. Hello, fall. Ooh, look at this colorful one. Giving me like kind of candy corn vibes. $25 for that one. That's 50. Kind of like that geometric shape. This one's by Becky Owens. Back here. Large one, the raccoon. And there's many wooden ones. Okay. Scott Living, huh? I have never seen them here. Didn't they have a thing going on with Target? This one's 35. That's the glitter on it. Ooh, that looks really nice in the back. And by Christian, 15. It's like a wired pumpkin, like a woven wired pumpkin, if that makes sense to you. You can put all your little nuts in here. I don't know. What would you put in here? And on Halloween, they just have these. We've seen these many times on the kitchenware. But I want to walk over here because they have really cool books. If you guys really look in your home goods department, they have a ghost train. It makes noises. Christopher Pumpkin. This one, 383 films is scary to death. I did share that in a video. It's really cool find. You know what? I saw goodie bags here a couple weeks ago, and I was debating on getting them because I do need goodie bags, and they were perfect. And now I can't find any. See what happens when you don't get it. Well, because I'm like, oh, I don't need it right now. But I'm like, you know what? I think we need it. These are all bracelet makings, but you get like a skull one. I wish they had a pumpkin one. Ah, I found them. Okay. Ah, I like this pink one though. This is $8.99. Cowboy boot one. Tote bags. Let's see, there's quite a bit of tote bags. 15. You get 2 in here. This could be for like a toddler if you're trick-or-treating, because you know they don't need that much candy. Well, they really don't. You also have, I think, a Cookie Monster one. All treats, no tricks. And they're pretty heavy duty. And if you're, you only get 1. I thought you get 2. Only 1 for $7. But I know, you know, if you go shopping at Trader Joe's, sometimes a little kid likes to copy the parent. There could be the little shopping bag at Trader Joe's. Tissues. This one, this is not the same one I was looking at. Let me find out. Oh, it is. Oh, this is $40. Someone was asking about it. I couldn't remember if I did share it or not. $45.99 for the mug, salt and pepper shaker, these bowls, a turkey butter dish. I don't think we've seen this plate, right? The turkey and what would you call this bird?
Pheasant.
A pheasant. There we go. That's a $7 for that one. 7. Oh, that's a cute butter dish too in the back. And they got that little tiny turkey plate. Okay, on the butter dish, we could look. Oh gosh, 15 for the butter dish. And this one's not a colorful one. Pretty sure it might be the same price. Have we seen this one? This is $12.99. $12.99. I know we've seen that. Look at, they got all their boats and everything down there. A mixer, fall Halloween still. Mugs, little cappuccino ones. Guess whatever is left over now. Let me see this one. It's by Tahori for $30. And we have this pumpkin here. There we go. Let me pan out. Beaded pumpkin table runner. 25. I'm trying to. There we go. Plenty of mugs still. Boo. Tea time. This guy's cute too. I like his little corn outfit. $10. Joanna Parker one. It's a cute one. And that one has a bow on top. It's actually quite nice. These mugs are for. Go a little slow here. Turkey butter dish. These tiny ones. It's a cow butter dish for $5. Oh, there's a candy corn cat. Haven't seen that one. Oh, look, there's more. Everything's just so jam-packed. Again, I'm always afraid I'm just gonna, mess up something. Look at the little cat. He has fresh pie. That better be fresh pie and not litter box. I forgot how messy cats are. That's 15. If you haven't seen these already, these are really cute. Gravy, says gravy on it. Pan in real quick. There we go. Trying to get away from the glare. I feel like no matter what I do, I'm gonna get glare. The giving plate, which is really cute. Really, really cute. There's another pheasant by itself though. These are $5.99. Would you guys eat a dove? Like, have you ate dove before? Let me know. Like, I can't think of killing it. I know there's dove hunting, but it's kind of funny. Someone at work was telling me they went dove hunting, or their husband went dove hunting, and I'm like, what does it taste like? And they're like, oh, like a turkey, but they're like shriveled. I don't know. A dove never crossed my mind. I mean, maybe a quail. You know what I mean? Some more Halloween one. Ah, look at this fancy gravy boat right here. $12.99. Those are nice too. You want a fancy butter dish right here? I don't know why I really like looking at butter dishes. 15. I don't buy them, but when they come in shapes and whatnot, I just find them very fascinating. It's just a lot of fun, right?
They are neat.
We're like, they're cool.
But we just keep basics.
Yeah. That purse. Oh, this is really nice too right here. Can I pull this out? 15. These are 10. And 20 right here.
Wouldn't you love to win a $500 Homegoods gift card? Just take our survey and enter this month's drawing. Let us know what you think about your shopping experience. It only takes a few minutes, and then you've got a chance to win a $500
I like the base of this cake dough.
Check your receipt.
It's only 20. Not bad. You got more pumpkins. Normally you find the orange one, but this one's 25. They're 25. Oh, there's a clear one. That's a trio. That cactus in the back. No bubbly ghost. And that large egg corn. I like that. There's some shakers in the back. Bread dome. So I know we've seen these with the blue rim. These like made in Mexico ones. This one's 5. These are gonna be 9. Pumpkins, yeah, just a lot of candles. It looks like people bought those ghost candles that were melting. So I do not see them anymore. Okay, just plenty of leftover Halloween. What is lingering? This is only 25 right here. Then we have the skeleton one. I don't know if I've seen the skeleton one, but that's pretty cool. This is $8. Only see one. Okay, this is really cool. We got the Van Gogh one for Catso for 15. Little scratch board.
That's funny.
That's funny. Yeah, I saw that. Here's another one. Ah, the Mona Lisa with the pumpkin. 15. Those are funny.
I don't know if I'd want my cat to scratch that picture of it, Sonny.
These Snoopy ones, which we did see. All these are 20 because they're called pet throws.
We got Wednesdays here.
Winsies. Oh yeah, those are funny.
Stuff those with some laughing cow cheese. Dog.
Laughing cow cheese, yeah. Spider-Man, strawberry, pumpkin, cow, chicken. So funny. Okay, Halloween blankets here. And here is just like home decor. Those horse heads are $20. $300 for this table. It's like marbled. Well, that was that. That's it. Alright, I'm making my way back up to the front. Nothing new for fall in this location. I know right here by the register they got plenty of Halloween still. You know, the little Halloween knickknacks and whatnot. I know we've seen most of these. Alright, you guys, please stay safe out there. Thank you so much for joining me on these walkthroughs. And I will see all of you guys in the next one. Yeah, a lot of ghosts.